Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying connection has timed out error on Windows 11. You browse the internet, try to open a website, and suddenly it refuses to load. After a few seconds, the browser says connection timed out. Super frustrating, right? Well, don't worry, this is usually caused by either a DNS issue, network misconfiguration, or a firewall setting blocking the connection. Let's fix it step by step. First, try the obvious, restart your router, unplug it from power, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. While it's restarting, go ahead and restart your PC too. After your computer boots up again, check if the problem is gone. If not, let's move on. Next, open the Start menu and type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the following commands one by one. Pressing Enter after each ipconfigs flush DNS ipconfigs release. To pconfig is renew. These commands reset your IP addresses and flush your DNS cache, which can solve a lot of connectivity issues. Now let's change your DNS to something more reliable like Google's DNS. Go to Settings, Network and Internet or Wi-Fi depending on your connection. Click on your active network, scroll down and click Edit under DNS Settings. Choose Manual, turn on IPv4, and enter preferred DNS 8S, alternative DNS 2824S. Click Save and exit out. Now try visiting the website again. If it loads, congratulations, your issue was DNS related. If not, your firewall or antivirus could be interfering with the connection. Open Windows Security from the Start menu, go to Firewall and Network Protection, then click Allow an app through Firewall. Look for your browser in the list like Chrome or Firefox. Make sure both private and public boxes are checked. If not, click Change Settings and enable them. Alright, that's it. One of these tips should help you fix the connection timed out error on Windows 11. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Leave a comment if you're still having trouble. I would do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.